One-story home on half an acre. You asked for it, now you've got it. Today, we're taking a look at a community, a city right outside of Justin, Texas, New Fairview. And you may be asking yourself, Tracy, where is New Fairview? Well, I'm glad you asked. In this video, we're going to cover some incredible opportunities and where New Fairview is and the things to do in and around this area. Today, we're touring Paloma Ranch. Are you ready? If this is the first time to this channel, subscribe, let's connect, and give us a thumbs up. Slow down and stay a while. Add a couple of rocking chairs, your favorite plants, and a cold glass of sweet tea. Whether you're taking conference calls, helping with homework, or just need a quiet place to focus. And the closet keeps everything neat and orderly. Welcome to Grand Central Station, the place everyone passes through and nobody wants to leave. Morning coffee, late night snacks, homework at the island. Chef-inspired meals or takeout, and life-inspired memories. Lather, rinse, repeat, fold. If laundry has to happen, this makes the routine feel a little less routine. Now here's where I want to hit pause for a second because the floor plan gives you options. Right now, this space is open and connected. You can keep it exactly as you see it here or add a door. This creates the ultimate seclusion for extended guest stays, and you know what I mean, or multi-generational living. Ready to make your move? Let's connect. This flex space becomes whatever life needs. And with the added storage closet, clutter doesn't have a chance of stealing this room's shine. Would you keep it open or make this space more private? Hop in the comments and let me know. Bring the indoors out. Dining al fresco under the covered patio. Ceiling fan a must, it's Texas, y'all. And with a half an acre lot, add your custom pool, outdoor kitchen, playground, seating areas, garden, extended entertaining space. The possibilities are as big as this yard. On this wing of the home, you'll find additional bedrooms and a shared bath thoughtfully positioned to create separation and functionality. Lock the door and hide the key. This is your place to escape at the end of the day. A space to exhale, recharge, and get away from the noise, whether it's coming from outside the home with endless errands, meetings, and appointments, or a place to escape from the chaos inside the home. And if you know, you know. This flexible floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a little more than 3,000 square feet with the option of a 5th bedroom and a 3-car garage as shown in this tour. Prices start in the low $600,000. Now let's head over to the office and learn more about the things you can do and enjoy living in Paloma Ranch. I'm pretty sure you enjoyed that tour of Risewell Homes in Paloma Ranch. With 3 builders and a combined 28 floor plans to choose from, there's a strong chance you'll find one that fits your lifestyle. Plans range from approximately 2,300 to over 4,000 square feet, with pricing starting in the mid $500,000 and reaching into the low $700,000. Bloomfield and Ken Martin model homes were under construction during filming, but you can see here what they will offer. Back to Risewell Homes. They're going to offer only 1-story homes on a half-acre lot. There'll be 6 incredible floor plans ranging from a little under 3,000 square feet up to about 4,000 square feet. And the price starting in the mid $500,000 range. Now, when I said starting at, that's going to be base. Anytime we tour homes, you see the beautiful homes, open spaces, tall ceiling, spa-like baths, and we quote prices during these tours. Well, that is the base price. Get you into the community, get you into the home. But you know you live with you all of your life. You don't do basic. So undoubtedly, you're going to kick it up a notch, use options and upgrades, and you can have them, just means you have to pay more for them. For example, you're on a half-acre lot. Of course, you're going to want 3-car garage. Well, that is an option. And I'm pretty sure you're going to want to dine outside under the large covered patio with the ceiling fan and that cozy fireplace. Well, you can have it in some of the plans, but they're going to be optional. And of course, if you want to seal off that space, when we did our tour where you have the bathroom, the bedroom, and that second living area, that's right, optional upgrade. You can have them, you just have to pay a little extra for them. And the list goes on and on and on. Well, let's talk about the extra cost of living in Paloma Ranch. Now, you're going to have extra costs whichever community you live in, but the good news is that the cost in Paloma Ranch and New Fairview is very low, especially when it comes to property tax. And the other very low item that you'll pay when you join any community, the HOA fee, only $500 a year. Now, if you've done your research, and I know you have, you know that $500 a year is pretty low for HOA. Well, they're going to maintain the common areas. You're not going to have the huge mega community with amenities where you'll have the multiple sports courts, spa-like swimming pools, clubhouses, because everything you need or want as far as entertainment is going to take place right in your backyard. Oh, by the way, your students will attend the award-winning Northwest ISD. Here are places to explore outside your door. Only 7 miles from home is downtown Justin, where you'll find history, boutiques, shops, and fun for everyone. A little bit farther, about 10 miles away, is Texas Motor Speedway, Buc-ee's, if you know you know, and Tanger Outlet Mall. Champion Circle Golf Club is only 13 miles away. If you want a little bit more adventure outside, go to River Valley Motocross, 15 miles from home. Roanoke is our unique food capital of Texas. Well, that's about 19 miles from home, where you're going to enjoy walking up and down the historic streets of downtown, shopping, dining, and so much more right there in Roanoke. If you have a taste for luxurious sophistication, shopping and dining, about 20 miles away is South Lake. Fort Worth, 30 miles away, is where we celebrate our Western heritage, where you'll see real live cowboys on real live horses driving cattle down the street. This is where you'll see Western sophistication with museums, restaurants, Sundance Square, and a whole lot more to enjoy. And if you want to really venture out, about 40 miles away, the city of Dallas. And Dallas loves to believe that they are dripping with sophistication and elegance with their museums, their restaurants, and so much more. And if lake life is your life, Eagle Mountain Lake is 22 miles away. By now, I'm pretty sure you have Paloma Ranch on your short list, and you should. I mean, you've done your research, you've seen tons of videos. I know that I'm not the first. So you have a great idea of the prices and expectations of living in our DFW Metroplex. To have a half-acre lot, country lifestyle, large 1-story home with tons of upgrades and options, you understand the incredible opportunity that you have living in Paloma Ranch. And what you'll also notice about this video is I like to show the lifestyle of living in Paloma Ranch, the things to do around. And if you like learning more about how people actually live in our DFW Metroplex and our different cities, communities, and suburbs, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button so you'll be notified when anything new goes down around town. Oh, and here's one more important thing you should know. Watching this video is smart. Allowing me to represent you may be your best move yet. Whether you're selling and moving to your next or finding your first, I help people protect and grow wealth through real estate. This is where it's different. You're not a transaction. You're stepping into a new chapter, a new community. We celebrate milestones together, creating meaningful experiences along the way. You'll have access to a trusted network of resources and partners supporting you before, during, and well beyond the move. When you're ready, let's connect. It's not just your house, it's your home.